Hey morning loves, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started today, I did want to introduce to you guys a special little gift that I received from a company called PINCHme. PINCHme is basically an online service where members can try lifestyle brands for free for the exchange of feedback. So what I'm going to do today is show you guys what I received in the box. So this is the box here. It is super cute with the heart on it. It says PINCHme. At the bottom, on the front, it says try products from leading brands for free at PINCHme.com. It says their Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and also their Pinterest. So inside, look guys, they gave me food. So we have the Seeds of Change certified organic quinoa and brown rice with garlic. So this is what that looks like. Super yummy. I'm not really a fan of quinoa, but the rice is included, so I guess that'll mask it. I don't know, but I feel like that'd be good. I got Compeed, the blister cushion. So this can come in handy if you're wearing like new shoes or heels. It protects and cushions blisters, stays in place, provides optimum cushioning from rubbing and pressure. Fits like a second skin, and yeah, this is what it looks like, guys. Super cool. I also got 2 things of Keurig coffee. This is the 1850 Pioneer Blend, the medium roast, and I also got the 1850 Black Gold Dark Roast coffee. I don't have a Keurig, but my mom does, so I'm gonna use it. Oh, I got some coupons. Bro, look at this for real. $1 off any organic India tea. And I love tea. Oh, I need this. Immunity and Thrive, because my energy has been so low lately, y'all. Oh my god, and I've been super sick. So these 2 will come in handy. I love tea, y'all. I also have some peanut butter. So this is the RX nut butter. It has egg white, peanuts, dates, and no BS. Oh, excuse me, no BS. And I also have an almond butter. Another thing I have is some Biore charcoal. It says free your pores, great for oily skin, because that I do have. It removes makeup, deep cleans pores, and refreshes. This is the charcoal cleansing micellar water, so no need to rinse. I ain't got no makeup wipes either. I ran out, y'all. Come on through, PINCHme. Come through, okay? The next thing I have is crushed macadamia and rice milk from Dove. This is the exfoliating body polish. This is so cute. I'm gonna open this and see what it smells like. Really? There you go. Oh, there we go. Got it. Oh, wow. I'm such an idiot. It smells good. I thought it was gonna be a tube, but it's not. It's like sauce. So I'm just gonna close that bag. The last thing in here is a card explaining what PINCHme is. It is 100% free all the time. No credit card required, and shipping is free on every box. It's not your average box. Enjoy a free variety of samples. There's something for everyone at PINCHme. So if you guys sign up for PINCHme, you'll be sent a free box of different brands, and enjoy. I sure will, because yeah. So as you guys can see, I did make this hair into a wig. I love this hair to just throw on if I want to pop out, you know what I'm saying? If I want to throw a wig on and, you know, just show up and be like, girl, I'm here. You can see I do not have this wig glued on or anything. I just plopped it on and styled it. The joys of a closure, girl, okay? So if you guys want to know more details about this hair, just keep on watching. This hair is from QTHair.com. I am using their 613 blonde body wave hair. I have an 18-inch closure and 3 20-inch bundles of body wave. As you can see, this is the hair unraveled and straight out of the pack. The bundle is really thick, but as you can see, the ends are a little bit thin. To prep my closure for dyeing, I'm using Vaseline. I know a lot of people use Got2b glue spray or gel, but I figure Vaseline will work because oil and water won't mix, so I feel like it made sense and it worked really, really well. The only thing, you just have to wash out that Vaseline really, really good after you're done. Using the Vaseline helps the dye from getting to the knots, so the knots will stay blonde or bleached and it will look like scalp honey. Okay, so use that Vaseline. Now I'm taking the Wella Color Charm hair dye in 6N67, and that is the color Dark Sand, and I'm going to be using my 20 volume developer by Salon Care. I'm just taking a little bit of the hair mix and putting it onto the roots to wherever I want that dye to end. Now this dye goes or changes the hair color really, really quickly, so I did not let the hair sit whatsoever. I just applied the dye and then wash it off immediately after. And y'all, please use gloves doing this because my hand is still brown from dyeing this closure without a glove. So when I took out the first bundle, I started to comb through it, and I did get a lot of shedding and breakage of the hair. And then once I started to unravel the bundle, it was snagging and tangling. You can always tell the quality of the hair when you're unraveling the bundles. Again, I'm taking that hair color in Dark Sand and just dyeing the roots of all the bundles. Again, I didn't let the dye sit on the hair too long. Once I finished applying the dye to all of the hair, I immediately rinsed it off because as you guys can see, the dye did change the hair color very quickly. After darkening the roots of every bundle in the closure, I went ahead and rinsed out that Dark Sand on all of the hair, and then I went in with the next dye to tone the rest of the hair. And as y'all can see, the color I'm using is 9N911, which is very light blonde, and that is going to tone the hair to the color that I feel like best suits my skin tone. And as y'all can see, I'm not really measuring what I'm putting in the bowl to mix. I'm just eyeing it and getting the consistency I like the best. When I finished mixing the dye, I went ahead and combed out the damp bundle to make sure it was straight, and then I went ahead and just applied the toner. This was probably the easiest part of this whole process, was just putting on the toner, because y'all, it's just gliding right on there. Now for the toner, I did let it sit for like 5 minutes and then I started washing the hair. Before washing the hair, I made sure to tie each bundle up in rubber bands, and then I let them all sit in shampoo and water for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then I did the same thing with conditioner. Obviously, I made this hair or bundles into a wig. I was technically going to have the end of this video be a question and answer, but it was going to be like 20 minutes long, and most of y'all don't even watch 10 minutes worth of footage. So if y'all really want me to do a question and answer video, look on my community tab and ask me questions on the one picture I asked you guys to ask me questions on, and I will make a separate video for that. But this is how the hair turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some good pointers from it. If you have any more questions, ask them down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, money loves.